Welcome to Wise Beyond Bitcoin. We cover the crypto neo news, education, and opportunities. My name is Lucas, and I have some exciting major crypto secret updates. Really, just more of the shockwave, more of the development, and what's going on with the secret network, and why to be excited for 2022 and beyond. Of course, if you're new to this channel or new to secret network, new to DeFi, we've got different playlists to catch you up to speed, to do your own research, to be your own bank, how to start your secret crypto journey. This is complete with downloading a wallet, securing it, sending, receiving, staking, how to pick in a validator, but we also have a validator staking and value added playlist, because different validators can actually, where you choose to stake slash, save your funds, lock them up, you can actually earn rewards and choose the kind of rewards or protocols that you support. Very, very interactive, very dynamic, very cool. And we also have a Wise Beyond Bitcoin macro outlook, where we look at what's going on in the market at large and how it ties into crypto, to look at the whole picture. Secret NFTs, we've got some news about that, a whole playlist dedicated to it. And of course, just what's going on with the whole secret network in general. All right. Reviews, other things happening, DeFi tutorials, we've got that. Check it out. Everything's time-stamped, because this is all educational entertainment information. None of it is financial advice, commercial advice, legal advice, medical advice. It's just sharing some perspectives and some understandings and some of the latest alfalfa to feed you on your journey to, navigating these DeFi blockchain crypto waters. And it's important, once you start understanding how it is, to realize, well, shucks, everything is on one big decentralized public ledger. All of these, if I look up their mint, what is it called? The block explorer, scan the block explorer, and with the address, you'll be able to see everything from someone's address, whatever they've done. And it's great to have accountability, but it's not great to have a public permanent record for anyone to look at. It's nice to have that respect for privacy and the ability to show the transactions. And that's what you get with the secret network, which is why it really is one of a kind in crypto and what's being built on it. Well, as I said, we've got the playlist to show you about that. This is about some of the developments. So secret network has their shockwave, which is just a lot of explosive growth and development happening beginning 2022. And this is just one of the news announcements. Huobi Global will list secret in the Pioneer Zone January 18th. So now we're starting to see secret become more exposed, people more exposed to secret and being able to find out more about it. So the reality is, despite how innovative this blockchain, this crypto is, it's been relatively hidden, kept secret, pun intended, from the public at large due to its lack of exposure in different exchanges. Now you will be able to have support, deposits, secret deposits, spot trading, withdrawals, all the above right here at Huobi. So that's huge news. That's one. When you look at news, oftentimes the news is there. It's like a building block for a foundation. We're seeing gateways now where groups of people that didn't have access before now have access, regardless of the flow and the tides of the market conditions at the moment. That's new, less barriers to entry for secret network. What else? Well, we've talked about this. Secret network announces a $400 million ecosystem funding and reveals new investors. So they've got money to go out for grants, to hire people to help develop and build cool things. They also have like major investors that have come on to say, you know what, the fact that you guys have privacy and blockchain solutions, we can really build on your applications and benefit from both worlds. And they've decided to do that. Defiance Capital, Alameda Research, Coin Fund, Hashkey, so big names, and a 225 million ecosystem fund, right? Big deal for DeFi and NFTs, network infrastructure, hire devs, attract more talent, $175 million accelerated pool designed to provide non-dilutive capital grants and ecosystem incentives to rapidly expand user adoption. And we've talked about the recent direct fiat bridge on secret swaps. So a lot of development, a lot of things are happening, and a lot of potential for secret growth as more people become aware of blockchain, how it works, and then the need for a privacy layer, and not a layer two, a privacy. Secret is the first and only mainnet layer one blockchain to feature privacy by default for smart contracts and applications, putting us in the ideal position for us to reach this vision, putting us in the ideal position to reach this vision. I would say, I would remove for us, putting us in the ideal position to reach this vision. To achieve ambitious goals, you must work with the best and most ambitious partners. That is why we are thrilled to announce that some of the leading and most reputable investment firms in Web3 have recently acquired substantial secret positions and are joining our mission alongside the other incredible existing supporters of the secret ecosystem. That is a sentence and a good one. That was a lot of great information there. And all these links are going to be below, so you can do your own research and check out these quotes from Alameda Research and Defiance Capital and Coin Fund. Secret Network is the first mover and market leader in solving what is still a core need for Web3, data privacy for applications. We are excited to become supporters of the secret ecosystem and look forward to helping accelerate its global growth across all verticals and aspects. Okay, heavy and deep and beautiful, and a lot to expect from that. Is that all? No, that's not all. Huobi, $400 million fund, which is a big deal considering how much the $180 million Avalanche ecosystem fund, which was Avalanche Ave, I forgot what that exactly was for, but this is big. Now, what else is big? This is huge. Bitcoin, obviously, as we talk about, is the proof of concept. It's the value. It's the denomination of cryptos, really, when you look and see what they're worth. It's how many Satoshis. And there's a reason for it, because crypto blockchain technology wouldn't exist without Bitcoin as the proof of concept. In other words, if Bitcoin were to show that it doesn't work and it's been exploited several times and it's easily hackable, well, then the whole industry and market crumbles. But because proof of work and blockchain, this whole technology proves to still be secure and functioning and unhackable, then it allows for adaptations and innovations to take place. So healthy Bitcoin, and they're building secure layers and more dynamic utility on top of Bitcoin. I do feel, not from a maximalist position, that what's healthy for all are for redundancy and resiliency in any ecosystem is to continue to encourage the wrapping of Bitcoin and spread out among other secure networks that have healthy applications. Because if something were to happen to one, you would have Bitcoin or Ethereum or any other digital asset still wrapped up and safe. So on a different chain. Okay, there we go. There we go. But Bitcoin, this is a big deal. I didn't even get to this. Bitcoin coming to secret network. That means people can send Bitcoin. They can use it for payments, applications. They can use it in DeFi protocols. And someone who has your Bitcoin address or your secret address is not going to be able to track everything that you do on the network. And that's one of the beautiful features, one of the many beautiful features, but it's a privacy secured trustless bridge, which means not a third party. It's not a brokerage or a firm that you have that institutional risk, that central point of failure. It's actually done using crypto blockchain technology and smart contracts to create a one-for-one, not just a peg, but an actual collateralized pool where Bitcoin is put in, and secret Bitcoin, the token that can be used throughout secret network, is in return handed out. There you go. So we've got a video that goes in the white paper, the details of that. This is all going on right now. One of the bear market secrets or consolidation market secrets or whatever's going on in crypto is that it's the time to do your research and find out which protocols actually are developing. Many things in here when the markets are just pumping and green and money's just going everywhere, many projects, they have fly-by-night groups and you don't know what's happening. And when the markets are down and the money's gone, so are the developers and the teams and the projects that aren't decentralized. Built on blockchain doesn't mean that it's decentralized. There are many, many tokens built on Ethereum that are highly centralized, while Ethereum is very decentralized. So understanding those nuances help as well. And that doesn't mean that projects are bad, because many projects start with certain DAOs more centralized and with the intention as they get more mature to break apart. That being said, well, I guess I said it. This is it. So when the markets are consolidating, correcting, or even when they're green, it's good to find out the teams and the projects that are actually building value and developing. Bitcoin coming to Secret Network, that's big news. Where else? As soon as this Zoom comes up, $400 million fund, that's just the announcement. This is going to be used in ways, efficient ways, to help build value. This translates to developers, applications. This translates to a huge expansion of the secret ecosystem. And this translates to people being allowed to participate, more people coming in. And there's another announcement on that. In fact, let me just go right to it. How about this? How about Huobi and Binance for expanding availability for users with the addition of the secret USDT pair? So we're seeing more liquidity. We're seeing more access. The USDT secret pair is now available on Binance. Now you've got access on Huobi. You've got Bitcoin coming, Secret Bitcoin, Shade, which we've done a video on Shade, what they're doing with Silk and the algorithmic stablecoin built on Secret, which is just, check it out. It's far out what Carter and the team are creating over there. We've had a pleasure of sitting down. We have a live stream, so you can check out our vid on that, or you can just check out the link on this and read about this. SupraOracles, now they're teaming up to have that decentralized data solution, kind of like the chain link for Secret Network, and how that will help them create applications that connect traditional industries to blockchain industries and parlay that information, those prices, that data necessary to make things happen. And this is actually the Medium article, which that tweet will link you to. And it just talks about how they're pleased to announce the Shade Protocol will be partnering with SupraOracles to bring a highly innovative Oracle solution to Shade Protocol on Secret Network. Shade Protocol X SupraOracles times plus with at Shade Protocol. We value the safety and security of our decentralized ecosystem of end users above all else. That is why we are so excited to be partnering with SupraOracles, which achieves the following as a tech stack: truly decentralized oracles, massive scalability with cutting edge network topology, ultra fast and secure computations, parallel computing plus threshold level encryption, quick finality, 3 to 5 second on-chain refresh rates, true finality, cross-chain interoperability, blockchain agnostic. Shade Protocol utilizes oracles for many of its applications. First and most importantly is the Silk stablecoin data feeds. Look, it's an algorithmic stablecoin that feeds off of prices of different reserve currencies, commodities, and is pegged based upon these prices. So you have to have a very good, accurate data feed in order to maintain those pegs. Well, here we go. Silk as a stablecoin is pegged to a basket of global currencies and commodities. As the value of these underlying currencies and commodities shift, so does the target arbitrage peg price. As such, having a safe and secure Oracle data feed is incredibly important to the longevity of Silk as a massively innovative, privacy-preserving stablecoin of Web3. Point. SupraOracles is strongly positioned to help make this possible. Check it out. It's in the link with comments from different people included and a little bit about SupraOracles and what they're doing. That's not all. Well, I already talked about this. Look what else. More adoption, more excitement, more exposure to the movement and the volume and the trading and what people do to help to help bring stability to prices. That's right. Speculation and trading helps bring stability to prices. It's healthy for prices to allow people to speculate and take risks on price in the future. And some people are right and some people are wrong. And it's this liquidity and this ability. Do another video. We'll do another video on this, the economics of speculation trading, but how it's actually good for a healthy market to allow people to do this in price action. That is a different story. This story is how you can now take advantage of that trading life happening on FTX, built by traders for traders, with the upcoming listing that's already upcome, and it's here. Perpetual futures with secret in perpetuity, perpetual futures. At some point it's going to end, but you know, at the moment, right now, you've got access to perpetual futures. And what else? Look, bear market consolidation. Have to talk about this. If you're new to secret and you don't know, and you're just looking and doing your research, continue to do it. But one of the many things that's just beautiful about secret as a proof of stake network that allows you to choose these validators and who to support, will continue to add to the list because there are so many great validators that are working hard to add value to the community, whether it's building out wallet applications, doing research and education outreach, NFT airdrops, provide support liquidity to certain DEX and protocols within, just many different things, which is really neat to see how they can give back and you can support different people. But you can claim your rewards, and it's so cheap on a regular basis. Now this is 0.00, so okay, whatever. I think I have 0.08. Yeah, so look, 0.006, 0.08. It makes it worth it. You can claim your rewards that quick, right from your phone. Well, they don't see you on the phone yet, but right from your browser soon. And once you do that, you need to refresh the page because that's the rule of blockchain and crypto at the moment. And then after you refresh the page, you'll see that it says claim reward 0. Just happened, took care of business. So let's say you do it every week or every other week or how often, depending upon your balance, how much you accrue in the prices. You can claim your rewards no matter what the market's doing, going up, going down, going sideways. You can claim those rewards and then you can turn around. Was it 0.08? You can turn around and you can stake them again. That's right. I stuttered it because it's that important. You can stake, you can stake, you can stake, you can stake them again. And how much I just did 0.08. Well, let's just do 1 just to round up a little bit. And let's just delegate 1 more. What the heck? And here's what you're doing when you restake. If this is what you do, you could also exchange it, do something else with it. But when you do this, this is akin, although these are staking rewards and not interest returns, this is akin to compound interest. You're compounding your returns when you take your rewards and you put them back in to earn that 27% annual rewards rate. So that's right. You can take your rewards instead of waiting at the end of the year. You can actually take them whenever you would like and then restake them at that rate and earn 27% on that. Another beautiful feature about Secret and the IBC, we will continue to keep you up to date with the latest happenings. And there are a lot more happenings going on with Secret and the IBC gang, IBC family, and IB seeing you later, because I believe that wraps it up. Until the next time, have a beautiful day and namaste, y'all.